This mattress is really good quality and it is not too firm and not too soft. It is truly a good mixture between the two. And I think that's because they use both memory foam and coils to create it. That also helps minimize feeling your partner rolling around in the night. Because we know that that is so annoying, right? When you're fast asleep, but then your partner maybe gets up or rolls over and shakes the whole world. That's definitely not an issue with this mattress. It's definitely very comfortable, and I love that it was made right here in the US. It arrives in a box and it is pretty heavy, so get somebody to lift it with you, but it's really easy to set up. It has an outer layer of plastic that you remove and then you put it on the bed, because the next layer of plastic that you cut open, the mattress will immediately begin to puff up and expand. It comes with instructions to walk you through exactly how to do it, but then you leave it for 2 or 3 days to fully expand, and then it's all set and ready to go. We are very happy with this mattress, so I can recommend it.